kids, today I'm going to show you how to make a picture frame. Welcome to Addy's World! So let's see what we need. We need glue, 4 wooden sticks, a marker, paper, a picture, scissors, a pen and a sticker album. Let's start! First you need to get those 4 wooden sticks and then glue it. Now we need to let it dry. Let it be dried for 10 minutes. In the meantime, I cut the back side of the frame paper. Let's glue it on. Let it be dried for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes go and now it's dried. So my picture is little, so I'm going to place it like down there. It normally goes down there, but this is a different one. It will look like this. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you.